Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, a long time I haven't made a little vlog for you, so I'm in front of the camera now, and I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day, and we're gonna go on the road. I'm gonna take you thrifting, and I'm gonna see if I get any sale. I see Forever 21 they have buy one get two, and I'm gonna take you at my thrift store and see if I find anything, and I might buy just a sandwich. So let's go vlog with me. My daughter gone to school, it's my day off. I'm gonna treat myself, not too much spending, just cheap stuff. So I hope I find something nice. If not, let's come on the road with me. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear. All right guys, so I'm wearing my Guess slippers from Winners. All right, and this bag, I don't remember, maybe I got it at, it's really nice. I don't remember I got this bag from, guys, a long time I have it. And I got this dress from Shein on sale. It no more than maybe $6 to $9, guys. And this is how it's looking. It fit really pretty. All right, a little bit above my knees, and yeah, that's me right here. All right, so this is my outfit of the day. Really super cute. I hope I can take a picture. All right, so let's go on the road. All right, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. All right guys, and if you know a video you want me to do, please leave it in the comment section. All right, so let's go thrifting, and we're gonna go on the mall, wherever we land, guys. Let's go. I'm in the car. I say, guys, today are one of the hottest days. It's gonna be about 33, so I'm gonna put my AC on because this are not sweat yet, guys, are just grease. Boy. All right, so let's go on the road and see what we find. All right guys, so we're at the store, and oh my god, the sun is hot. It's like I'm crying. So I'm gonna show you. It's called Cedar Chest, so that's what it's called. All right, so we're gonna go inside and we're gonna have a look and see if we find anything. All right, so let's go. All right guys, so let's go see what we find inside. I should have put my mask on. All right guys, so this is how it's looking around. It's very nice. All right, $3 stuff, pants, new pants, because what they do, they donate from other store, donate. So if you're like a size 0 or size 3, you can get new stuff. All right, with the tag on it. All right guys, you see, you want to buy something and sell back, it's a good place to come. Look guys, tags on them. So I always come here and come into this aisle. All right, so I'm gonna run through it. Look at this pretty one, guys, with tags on it. You see the price, only $2. So I'm gonna run through it and find some. Look at this one. Woo. And I'm gonna pick some out and some for my daughter, and then I'm gonna show you. All right, so that's the store. All right, okay, $2 for all of these because they were donated. All right, so these are some. I got one of this. There's so many different prices. Look at this one. So, but they just have some specific rack, all right, like 3 racks.
Oh, we found a few things.
These are all new stuff, all right, guys, all new. So you can pick from this one.
And that's one of the reasons I don't go into the thrift stores, because I always come out with something. Now this is a,
and they have more, but these are like used, and they have lots in store. All right guys,
this John had, my husband had.
I basically got 2 bags of things for like $46, $41 plus tax, 46, and I'll just show you when I reach home. So guys, it's super hot out today. So hot, I'm telling you, it's like super hot. And this is where we're at here. It's a thrift store, and it's so hot. When I'm telling you it's hot, guys, it's hot. And we're in a place here called Preston, so if you want to check them out. Some stuff inside are really expensive, guys, but you just have to watch. They have like certain sticker, like today is the purple 50% off and the orange 75%. So you just have to look. And then the little tank tops are like $2, and skirts. All right, my peeps, so this is the second thrift store here in Preston. So Preston is a little town next to where I live in Cambridge, like 3 minutes drive. And this is the next thrift store. All right, this one is no tax, I think. Uptown Thrift, that's what it's called. All right, so we're gonna go in there and see what I find. All right, it's open, it says, so come on in with me, go thrifting. This one, I like this one, guys. It's cool inside. It's not big as that one, right? You can see it's you have tops. I like that. And you get like suitcase, whatever. No mask, no leather, so you could put on a mask. I like this art. Like this flower pot. Not for sale. And then you have tops, man side, sectional, man section. And so, guys, I'm gonna just see what I find. This island here, it says $5.99 dresses. All right, you have some nice home decor. All right, nice dresses for the beach. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna shop a little bit and I'm gonna show you what I find in this second thrift store. In here, guys, they also have bags. Oh my, this one is so cute. Look at this one. Only $2. Look there, guys. $2 something. I love this one. I think I might grab this one. All right, guys, and they have cups, plates, right?
What, you want to see my daughter's website?
Nice stuff. They have shoes, dresses too. Hello. They have nice dresses here, guys. And they have shoes. So I'm just gonna quickly run through it and see what I find. All right, and then I'll come back. All right, but I think I'm gonna start with this little purse here. It's so cute. All right, guys, so I'm in the second thrift store changing room. All right, and I want you to see this on me. They're like $5.50 or something. And I got them in the color too. I got this, like, this is more the yellow pinkish brighter color, and then I got like the yellow gray, and this is how it's fitting. Super cute. All right, super cute, guys. And I got a pants as well, and I'm gonna try this bath suit, and I got a pants and a few pieces for my daughter. And these are new, like new, these ones. Okay, so that's it. I have this bath suit on, or swimwear, and it's super cute. I'm gonna cover my legs and then I show here. I don't want to show too much down there, guys, you know. So that's it. Super cute. About, I think, $4.50 for you. All right, guys, the sun is wicked today, real hot, so I'm not gonna stay too much in the sun. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go to a restaurant called Silver Spoon. So Preston kind of a little bit nice, not too busy, so you know. So more dry, you know. White squall, wash me, guys, be hungry. So anyhow, we're just gonna go to. So this is it. I'm gonna buy something. Woo. They even start up the jerk thingy, guys, but no jerk not ready. You jerk not ready yet?
Soon ready.
It's soon ready. See the guys, me come too early. Maybe we have to come.
We have inside.
Yeah, I know. So guys, them start up the jerk thingy, you know, Jamaican style. Have to have jerk. And this is the restaurant. It's called Silver Spoon. My girlfriend told me about it, so we're gonna go in and we're gonna see what they have. All right, it's pretty nice. So guys, I got 3 patties, and I just want to show you the food before, you know, the camera cut off. You know that camera, a mad camera. So this was $16 plus tax, and I get some coleslaw and veggie with rice and peas. So this is my lunch, and patties as well. Alright guys, I know you can't see me so good, but these are the patties. Me now hold it, I'm coming out my watch. So this is how it look guys, me take a bite. So good. And this is the spicy one. Just the car vlog part, it's hot, so you can't hear the AC run. So this is my lunch. Well, I had one patty already, so I just want to show you how it's looking. Real Jamaican style food. You see that good guys? Alright, let's taste some rice and peas. The large food cool, you want warm up, but it tastes good. Yeah, want warm up guys, but it tastes good. Food nice. So, who beg now get on home and beg no one. That's okay. Maybe they want some gravy, but maybe you have to buy the gravy. Most time, you have to do not have no gravy, right? I used to do it in the oven and make it gravy. Then you have to make the gravy separate. Alright guys, you must be asking me what I'm drinking. I brought some tea, some herbal tea. Because usually them drinks are in general is too sweet, so